Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if the Shadowplay gameplay audio recorder is not working or recording audio correctly on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what you're going to start with is right-clicking on your speaker icon in the system tray, and from here you want to go select Open Sound Settings. Where it says Advanced Sound Options, so you might have to scroll down a little bit, you want to select where it says App Volume and Device Preferences. So go ahead and left click on that. Now at this point there should be something that says App Volume and Device Preferences up at the top. Make sure Master Volume is turned up, so just make sure it's turned up all the way. Basically, I just turned it back down. I don't like it making too much sound. It's kind of loud on my end, just for me doing this tutorial. But if you want to get this to work, I'd recommend turning up the master volume. You can adjust it down here as well, but I'd recommend doing it up here. And if it's a specific application or process you see, you want to make sure it's turned up as well. And it should be a Nvidia application, so you want to make sure you set it to that one, obviously, if it's corresponding to it. And you can see the outputs listed here, so if you click the drop down, you want to make sure you set it to the correct one. So pretty straightforward. You just would set it to the correct output, and then you would adjust the volume accordingly for it. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.